morning, everybody. It's Jared in Asia. I thank everybody watching my videos, subscriptions, views, likes, everything, folks. Thank you for everything. I'm taking a bike ride. This is the newer part of Honmoku. This is designed for the residents of Negishi. They were here decades ago, years ago. So I'm beginning the newer part of Honmoku. Hope everybody enjoy this bike ride with me. Let's take a cruise. I've been living here in Yokohama, in this area, basically about 30 years. Let me stop. Nothing. Make sure I don't continue with the video. So I'm here in this bike lane here. Honmoku dori. Here in Yokohama, Japan. Kanagawa Prefecture. So it looks like there no traffic right now. It's early in the morning. I'm just taking a slow bike ride. Not fast at all. I want to burn some energy. There's a brand new drugstore, or there used to be a hardware store before on the right side, just passing by. We'll stop and make sure nobody passes. So this is like the newer part of Honmoku dori. Here's my brakes. I got them adjusted the other day. It's a nice fall day. So this is really a visual part of Japan, here in Yokohama. How it looks like here. This part used to be part of the American base housing area. But I think they closed down in 1972 on the left side. And I think on the right side also. But if you know anything about this history, share that in the comments section. I see maps and pictures. Okay, I got another signal light red. You gotta be careful. Just take it easy today. Easy bike ride. See the traffic very light, very quiet here in Japan. Easy. That's what I feel about Japan. And I love Japan myself too. No hassles here. Transportation system's good. The food's good. newer part Honmoku dori. So the last bag ride I had was going to the foreign cemetery, and I used a different camera, and I used this Insta360, and that was so on the bike. But that camera's good during nighttime, and walking, music. But a bike, but I got another camera. I got another third camera still in the box. Today I'm using my GoPro 10. I think the files is that larger. I can tell. I think the bit rate, whatever, it's faster. So this again, here we go. This is the main, almost the main part of Honmoku dori. The newer part. Then we'll take another shot of the older part of it later on. Hope everybody remember this area. We were here many years ago. Yeah, I'm still here. I'm one of the last person. From the old Nigichi base was open. I think I was the last one who left. So I'm stuck right here. Again, this is the new part of it. They used to have they're gonna have a subway running all the way through here, but the subway stopped at the Motomachi area street. The reason why, there's two reasons, but I'm not too sure. Well, I think one reason, sorry, the ground was too solid or too hard to go through. And that's why, and this one more reason I can't remember right now. But many residents or people they bought homes here, condos, houses, businesses. Now the older people are dying off. Now this place is dying. But this is a real nice area. I mean, really nice. You're right in this area here. I mean, this is really nice. There's the building to my left. We're gonna close that down soon. I'm very disappointed by that. Oh my God. I think 30 December is the last day businesses will be out of the building. On the right. Baytown Honmoku, that's the name of the place. Stop here for traffic. There's a bike shop on the right side. And my bike shop is just around the corner. Again, this is to give you a visual how Honmoku looks like, the newer part of it. Later I will give the older part of it. Just waiting for traffic here. Signal. Turn green. There we go. There's a Pizza Hut to your right, but it was like takeout. You cannot eat it inside. Not like back in the States. Ooh, the Texan was ready. There's old cars on the right side. A lot of Fords. An old postal car, postal jeep, I'm sorry. Well, this is gonna be the this is the end of the newer part of Honmoku. I thank everybody watching this video. Thank you for the subscriptions, the views, the likes, everything. This is JR Nation. Take care, folks. See you in the other part of Honmoku dori. Bye.